Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thought I'd share with you what I'm up to today. I'm ready to decorate my 3 tiered trays for Valentine's. I did this about 6 months ago for the fall. I thought you would like to see all my Valentine's stuff and how my tiered trays turn out. I've still got the same 3 trays from the fall. These 2 trays I created on my channel. These were made from thrifted items. Now this tiered tray is originally from Hobby Lobby. It was about $32. I got it for half price for around $17 or so. And I really like the ones I made better because they don't have that top center finial thing that really limits you in what you put in the top tray. These are the 2 I really like to decorate with. So I'm going to put these away and put everything out on my counter that I have to work with. I'd like to start off by saying you by no means need a counter full of Valentine things or whatever theme your tiered trays are. It's just so happened over the course of 3 years since I've been doing the tiered trays, I have accumulated quite a bit. Now I've got it kind of broken up into 3 sections. The first section here are things that I made this year. This was a Dollar Tree sign that I made over. I put some buffalo plaid in the back and stuck a little heart inside there. These are just some little wooden hearts that I just decoupaged some scrapbook paper on. This is a little unfinished wooden birdhouse that I had, and I just put some scrapbook paper on it, made it look a little more Valentine's. And then this was a red and white garland from Walmart that I restrung and made a little Valentine farmhouse beads out of wool balls. I thought that turned out really cute. Now the rest of this stuff are things that I have just accumulated here and there, thrifting, that most of this stuff was 50 cents, less than $1 for any of it. Now these 3 signs right here are actually from the Dollar Tree in the last few years. Bless your heart, the love, and you are loved. Just really cute things that I can use. And all these other little things will be really cute on my tiered tray. Now this little section right here is what I kind of call my neutral filler. You need to have a little stash of this no matter what season or theme you're doing. And I'm sure most of you have all seen the Rae Dunn. The reason why it's so popular is that it's so neutral and you can use it year round. I have quite a bit of Rae Dunn, but I don't put a lot on my tiered trays. I've got some wood corbels. I got a little wooden trays, a little metal basket, just a cream colored candle, a galvanized little pitcher that could be for any season, little cupcake stands that you can get from the Target dollar spot, wood slices. These are just those little vintage looking wooden clothespins that I tied a red ribbon around. Some farmhouse beads. Little chalkboard signs are perfect because you can write any little saying on it for whatever theme you're going for. A little glass vase. And with it being Valentine's, I did pull out a couple little doilies that I had. So between my neutral fillers, my actual Valentine stash, and then some of my new things, I should be able to fill up my 3 tiered trays. Enjoyed seeing my little parade of my tiered trays. I just set them on a little Lazy Susan so I could spin them and you could see the trays a little better. 2 of the trays are just one-sided basically, but I wanted to show you all the way around. But I encourage you to start collecting a neutral stash for fillers. It only takes a few little focal items for whatever season or theme you're going for, and you will have enough for a tiered tray in no time. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye-bye.